Hey guys, here we are. Our road trip adventure has started. Started out with tires coming apart. So we're getting 2 new tires on the front. We're going to check the rest of the pressures, which we checked the other day, but it started shaking on the highway pretty good. So, but yeah, we're heading up north. The car's back. Pick up some neat stuff, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, here we go. Here we go. Started off with that bullshit. So hopefully we ain't gonna have an issue with ongoing tires on this shit, because all these tires were put on at the same time. I hope the rears ain't gonna start doing the same bullshit, falling apart. But we'll have them double check the pressures again, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be all right. But we will see. All right, guys, I'll bring you back if anything else exciting happens. See ya. Okay, guys, here we are. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Got a truck all hooked. We got a cooler. Got all our stuff. Gooseneck is good and hooked. V8 swap Jeep. And we got that Trailblazer piece of crap. So this is our first load out of here. Then we're coming back for the Cheetah race car he's got. Probably a month or so. All right, guys. We'll bring you along the way if anything exciting happens. Hopefully it doesn't. See ya. Hey guys. Here we are hauling our trash. And I pulled off a fuel. We got some fuel right there. 29 gallons. We ran this one a little bit lower than normal. But so I did a walk around. Walked around the trailer. We got a light there. That looks good. We got a light there. That's all good. And then I got to the back. And we got fucking nothing at all. There's no fucking lights back here. Well, we got a light. We're gonna try to figure out what's going on. If I find it, guys, I'll bring you right back. Okay, guys, this is what we got. I'm guessing this is our problem. Our wires came unplugged. So we got some floor mats out of the truck, which I'll show you. We'll plug this thing back in, and I think that's gonna fix our issue. As long as it's not, it looks pretty full of dirt now. So we're gonna plug this in and hopefully this gets us going. Okay, so I'll bring it back. Okay guys, here we go, huh? Got our lights back. Look at our thing we got to lay on. We got our floor mats down there. All right, we're out of here, guys. Back on the road. See ya. All right, guys, we made it back. No issues other than the lights. So we're hauling our trash, or is it treasure? Who knows? Maybe it's both. Maybe it's one. So let's talk about what V8 swap Jeep. It's got a Tuneport 350 in it. It's got waggy axles, the Wagoneer axles in it. So it's a 44, I believe, front and rear. That's what those came with, or a 20 in the rear. But I think this is a Dana 44. And it's pretty holy. My other buddy up the road says Tonka truck's supposed to be yellow. I don't know. But yeah. It does have the Bluetooth frame option. Huh? It's nice. Got plenty of weight reduction. It's always good. We approve. And then we got this thing. This is the Saab rip-off Trailblazer SS. It's got an aluminum 6-liter in it. It's gonna keep the motor. I got it for the chassis. I think we might put a 34 Chevy and make it all-wheel drive. That'd be kind of sweet, I think. But yeah, that's our first haul of trash or treasure. Who knows? All right, guys. Well, like, share, subscribe. See ya.